Vive le français! Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So today I want to show you very quickly a small recipe. It's not a French recipe, it's a Italian recipe because I did some pizza. So I didn't film when I was doing it, but I want to show you the ingredients and tell you in French language. First of all, la levure. So repeat after me. Hein. La levure. La levure. La levure. La levure is the yeast. And then, vous avez le sucre, le sucre, le sucre, le sucre, the sugar. And then, vous avez la farine, la farine, la farine, which is the flour. Okay? Et vous avez bien sûr l'eau, 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 the water. This recipe is the recipe that is a very good recipe, that is the Italian recipe. So it's very easy. First of all, you take some water, I will put the quantity, you heat it up a little bit so it's a little bit warm. Then inside you put the yeast with the water, la levure, l'eau et le sucre. Then you wait a little bit until la levure acts, start to foam a little bit, And at the same time, in a big pan, you will put la farine et le sel. I didn't show you the salt. La farine et le sel. Okay. Once the yeast is ready with the water and the sugar, you put it and you mix everything together with your hand. And you will make some bowl like this. Vous allez faire des boules. This is the same for the bread. Okay. Des boules. Après, donc j'ai fait deux boules. Comme ça, là, j'ai fait deux boules. J'ai malaxé deux boules. J'ai fait deux boules. Deux boules avec la farine, le sucre, la levure. Okay, j'ai fait deux boules. Et maintenant les deux boules, and this is a big secret to make the good pizza. Les deux boules maintenant, je vais les mettre dans le frigidaire. So let me show you. Here we have le frigidaire. Okay. J'ouvre le frigidaire et je mets les deux boules en haut du frigidaire. Ici. Une ici. Hop. Et l'autre ici à côté. Et je vais attendre pendant 24 heures. I will wait for 24 hours. And it should grow. It should grow. Hein? Normalement, après 24 heures, ça va grossir. You need to wait like this for a longer time. Because if you wait for 24 hours, it will grow very, very slowly and it will have more taste. It will be more tasty. The final dough, the final pizza will be more tasty. So in 24 hours, I will get it out of the fridge. And I will prepare my pizza. I will take them out 2 hours before I put the ingredient on it. 2 heures avant. Let it rise again and prepare my pizza. Ok, donc c'est la recette des pizzas. Remember the ingredient, la farine, le sucre, la levure, the yeast, et l'eau, the water, l'eau. Okay. Et donc, vous faites une boule de pizza, et hop, dans le frigidaire, in the fridge, pendant 24 heures. Let it rise slowly. Bon, je vous laisse. Merci les amis, au revoir, à bientôt. Ouais, so the pizza is ready. You see, I put a mixture of oil and the sugar and garlic on it, and then the tomato and then the cheese. Here, and this is mine. It's the first one. Look inside the cheese. It's good, huh? It's already starting to grow. So it will be very delicious. C'est bon, non, ça? Bonjour les amis, c'est la pizza. So I took it out of the fridge. Hein. I left it for 24 hours in the fridge, and then after I just spread it like this. Okay. Bon, voilà la pizza. Et tu mets la tienne dans le frigidaire. La pizza. On la met dans le frigidaire.